Hi, welcome to Ram Gopal's PowerPoint Mastery Program. I am Ram Gopal, your host and your guide for this program. It is a great decision for you to join this PowerPoint Mastery Program because it is a good place for you to hone your PowerPoint skills. First, let me give you a quick background of why we decided to come up with this mastery program in the first place. As you probably might know, Aarti, who is my business and life partner, and I have been working with PowerPoint for the past 15 years day in and day out. We have developed countless presentations for various key clients across industries and across organizations. We have developed more than 6,300 unique PowerPoint templates, which are now being used by thousands of customers from more than 230 countries across the world. We've also trained presenters of all types, whether it is training professionals or consultants or small business owners or senior managers, you name them, we have trained them. In all those years of working with PowerPoint closely and also in training presenters on how to present their ideas better, we observed one recurring theme, and that is, it is one thing for you to know an information or to have an idea, and it is a totally different thing for you to be able to get across that information or idea in a way your audience understands and retains that information. I've seen countless cases where great ideas are totally shot down mercilessly by the audience because the presenter didn't know how to present those ideas in the way they deserve to be presented. I've also seen cases where great subject matter experts with enormous knowledge about their subject being ridiculed by the participants because the subject matter expert didn't know how to get and hold the audience's attention long enough to be able to get across the information in a way they understand. PowerPoint Mastery Program puts an end to all those miseries. This program helps you get across your message with impact using the power of visuals. This is not just another PowerPoint program. It is a program that helps you to combine the power of creativity with the hidden potential of PowerPoint. In this program, you will not just learn the tools of PowerPoint. You will learn how to use those tools creatively to get your message across with impact. If you are a trainer, you will see the results of your training program becoming much better. You will see the pass percentage increase. You will see the implementation happening flawlessly. If you are a sales presenter, you will start seeing that you get better conversion from your sales presentations. If you are a report presenter, you will start seeing that your audience now engage with your presentation. They will start to realize the insights your information has to offer. This program will be a game changer. And it will be my commitment and Aarti's commitment to ensure that we will help you in every step of the way. So once again, I welcome you to Ram Gopal's PowerPoint Mastery Program. It is probably the best business decision you have taken this year to further your career. In the next video, I'll show you how to get the most out of the lessons in Ram Gopal's PowerPoint Mastery Program. I'll see you in the next video.